Hi friends, today we are going to start with module A, economic analysis, and first unit is unit 1, fundamentals of economics, microeconomics and macroeconomics and types of economies. Friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and watch. So we can start with economic analysis. Adam Smith, he is considered as the father of modern economics and he is also known as father of microeconomics. He gave the wealth definition. Adam Smith gave wealth definition. He has conducted study of wealth. So he is known as the father of modern economics and father of microeconomics. Next is Alfred Marshall. He conducted study of mankind. Wealth is the means to welfare. So his definition is known as welfare definition. Alfred Marshall's welfare definition. Adam Smith's wealth definition. Lionel Robbins, he gave scarcity definition. Man has unlimited wants. This is called scarcity definition. Study of means and ends. He conducted the study of means and ends. He says means to satisfy human wants are limited. Resources are not only limited but have alternate uses. Man has to make a choice. He says resources available can be used for different purposes. For example, a field can be used for cultivating paddy or sugarcane or something. So we have to take the which choice we need. We have to first take the decision. That is, resources are not only limited but have alternate uses. So here man has to make choice. Next is microeconomics. Microeconomics deals with how households and firms make decisions. Adam Smith is considered as the father of microeconomics. Macroeconomics deals with overall performance of an economy. And John Maynard Keynes is considered as the father of macroeconomics. Macroeconomics' father is John Maynard Keynes, whereas microeconomics father of microeconomics is Adam Smith. The book written by John Maynard Keynes is General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. Next is type of economy. There are three types of economy: market or capitalistic economy, socialistic or command economy, and mixed economy. Market economy has a process known as laissez-faire. Here laissez-faire means government does not make decision. That is, capitalistic or market economy is completely a private economy. Here individuals or corporates make decisions. Next is socialistic or command economy. Here only government make decision. Whereas in mixed economy like India, both the private and public sector, that is government, make decisions. Adam Smith defined economics as study of wealth. Macroeconomics deals with GDP, unemployment rate, price indices. Who is considered as the founder of field of microeconomics? Adam Smith. Microeconomics is concerned with the behavior of individual entities. Ends refers to wants. A market economy is in which individuals and private firms make the major decisions about the production and consumption. India is a mixed economy. Laissez-faire economy is extreme case of market economy. That is capitalistic economy. Market economy is also known as capitalistic economy. Which of the following is a capitalistic economy? Answer is inclined. So friends, that's all with this unit. So please subscribe and support if you like this lecture. So thank you.